What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we do a little walleye fishing on a lake that I didn't even know had walleye in it. So got a little tip yesterday from a friend of mine about where they might be, so we're gonna go try it out. Hey, if you enjoy fishing and you want to learn about fishing, right now would be a great time to hit that subscribe button. Alright, so we got a little bit of wind today. I got my dang cable strode out here. I'm seeing fish on the bottom. That's exciting. Now, off this hump that I got marked, it's way over there, a guy caught almost a 7-pound walleye. So I don't think I'll replicate the results, but there's an old tree. Let's give it an old spot lock here. See if there's anything zooming around here. We're gonna give this a pretty good old try. I love it when the wind forecast is wrong. I want to fish on the other side of this, because I know that's actually pretty steep. Wonder if they're just ambushing stuff coming off this ledge. So we'll see. I know there's a ledge. I just gotta figure out exactly where I need to be casting. Oh, got him. Got him. That's a decent sized fish. That ain't a bad walleye. I can't believe I caught a walleye at a greenbelt though. That's actually, he's pretty feisty and angry. That's not a bad walleye. He hit it pretty hard and it was fighting good too. Let's see how big he was. I hadn't caught a walleye in so long. I'm kind of curious. Oh, not 16, 15 and a half. And he's gone. All right, walleye on the boat. I don't believe it, but the lake has walleye. Rinse and repeat. And like I said, the top of that's 9 foot, and then I'm sitting in 23 foot. So from here to the buoy, there's a 10-foot ledge, or a 14-foot ledge, 15-foot ledge. And that's what I'm fishing. I got this little slab spoon here. I'll show it to you in a minute. It's really the slab spoon that I've been using most of the time. Well, that's pretty cool. I didn't realize walleye were in this lake. I mean, I've fished this lake quite a bit with a spoon before, but it's just this year that they've really appeared. So this is just a 3/8 ounce cotton Cordell slab spoon. This is the silver color. They make it in a gold color as well. I think they even make it with a little feather on it. It comes in several different sizes, but the bait here is extremely tiny. So I'm trying to mimic that with the smallest bait I can do. And take this, I'm done with this. So let's take this guy off and let's tie a drop shot to him. I don't know how that happened, but it happened just casting. Alright, well that was a nice pain in the butt that I didn't really want. I got one. I got one. On the drop shot. That's my first drop shot fish. Come on now, quit it. You're gonna screw my line up. You've already screwed it up enough. Quit it. Nothing worth bragging about, but fish is a fish. Oh yeah. That largy smell. Now let's see if we can figure this thing out, because he twisted it up pretty good. We got us the drop shot rig in our arsenal. First drop shot fish. That was actually pretty nice. I mean, fun. I mean, not a very huge fish, but dang. I'll let him have it for a second. Then I set the hook on him. I'm not sure that's how you're supposed to do it, but hey, it worked. Well, time to break off. Yep. Got us a little orange Gatorade. Oh yeah. All right. We're back and ready to drop shot. Got him. A little bitty guy. Little bitty. Come here. Not my smallest bass ever, but dang, pretty close. Out here having a good time. Well guys, we're gonna call it a day there. Sun's getting kind of low. Caught a couple little bass on the drop shot. Glad I returned to it. I caught a little guy and set out for a walleye on this lake, which I've never caught a walleye here. So that was impressive. There's probably not many, so it's probably gonna be pretty difficult to catch them on this lake from here on out. Hey, but I'm pretty happy with catching one. But like always, until next time, get out there and go catch us some fish.